Okay, you're welcome as well, you rude little fuck.
What is he doing?
I don't know, Alexei. I don't know.
Well, what is she doing?
He's driving a Skoda.
Step up.
That explains a lot. I don't know. I don't think she knows over, does she?
No.
Oh, the poor woman. The poor woman.
Oh, do not. How can you get that so wrong?
I don't know. Maisie takes toys off you. Oh no, we can't allow that, can we? What is that car doing? I don't know. What is that car doing?
With that blue car?
That blue car there, yes. I don't know what it's doing. I don't know how it's got in that position. That is very strange, to be fair. Very strange.
Yes. It's really strange, isn't it?
It is very strange. You get some strange people when you're driving, baby girl. You wait till you're grown up and you're driving, you'll get all these idiots in front of you.
Hold on a second, hold on. I've just realised. Well, this is editing Benji, by the way. Hello. I have just realised something. It came up towards the roundabout, went around the roundabout, only to go back down the road it came from and park on this. Do you see what I'm trying to say? It could have just come straight up and then parked there. But it didn't. It went round the roundabout, made a mess, and then went back down. It's just something I'd throw in there because I noticed it and it amused me. So, yeah, continue.
I will shout.
Yeah, you will shout special, won't you? You learn fast, thank you. Selfie!
Yeah, but why?
Why?
Yeah, it's just a bit weird, isn't it?
Why?
Bunny.
I took a selfie earlier. What's weird about that?
Well, why would you want to take a selfie with dog products for?
I don't know. Maybe they like dogs. Maybe they're dog fans.
Well, you know, yeah, I suppose.
Stop picking on people.
No, it's just strange, isn't it?
Stop! Yeah. Mummy, can I buy
What is it doing?
I'm not entirely sure, Alexei. I think it's just hit that pole.
Mummy?
You strange person. Learn how to drive. It's just hit that pole.
Oh! See the back of it?
Oh, wow. That's special, man.
She's got her dent in her door right here. So we're paint across it. It's not funny.
It is funny. It's a straight road. Oh, wow. Wow.
Did you get the
Fucking
back?
idiot.
Did you get the back of it?
Yeah.
So we're going home now to get Navy's belly boots. I'll put it back in the freezer. Hello.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
What the hell is wrong with people today?
I don't know, Alexei. Maybe they just got issues. Because that's not normal, is it?
Dada.
Well, I didn't swear.
Alright. You've done well, I suppose.
Are you being serious? Are
Yeah. They're being serious. There's a taxi rank space just over there, mind.
you? I know. That's special, isn't it? And people wonder why I whinge at taxis so much. Yeah, you're welcome as well. If it was a disabled person, I would let it slide, but
It actually wasn't.
it wasn't.
He was on the telephone.
Every time you say that, I can never see it. Could you actually see it through his ear?
It was on his ear, yeah.
Dirty bitch!
What?
Doo-doo. 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 Ah, no!
This corner is horrible.
Yeah. Doo-doo. 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 Doo-doo.
Go! Just stop, man.
Trying to talk to the bird.
Don't talk to it outside of the car, not me next to me freaking ears. Really?
Yeah. He just drove past a massive space and then chooses to park in the tiny little space. Is he going to be a good enough driver to get in there? No.
My God, man! Oh, that's not even funny!
That's how I imagine people are saying. They're just like.
And look at these!
Like, stop screeching! Considering there's a crossing, like just up there as well. Oh, you screech, woman!
Oh, don't you scare me! Like, just check your mirrors or look through your freaking window. You'll see us coming. How difficult is that?
Wow, you're angry.
Oh, it winds me up. Proper winds me up. Proper gert idiots, my
You're raging!
I am proper gert raging. Oh, it winds me up. Yes, we are.
And we should say the game is going to be replayed. Is it going to be replayed with a crowd, or is the determination to replay it without a crowd?
No, it will be with a crowd. I want to express my gratitude to the FA because they have today made the decision.
Hello, it's me again. Now, I've got two theories on this one. One, you're a dickhead because you didn't look and you pulled out. Two, you're a dickhead because you did look and you thought you'd pull out anyway. There are no reasons for pulling out in front of someone. There are no reasons for that. You're a dickhead or you're a dickhead. That's it.
Okay. Police cars have changed quite a bit, haven't they, since I've seen them last. I don't see them very often, but they've changed quite a bit.
Right, we're going home now.
And I'm gonna watch some TV on my tablet.
Alright.
You child. Child. I'm not entirely sure if that's safe or not. Yeah. I'm not entirely sure what BMW driver is doing. Then it puts his hazard lights on to let it know. Oh wow, wow. Yay, yay, yay. And what's it doing? What is it doing? Is that the same BMW? It is, isn't it? Am I seeing things? I don't. That's the same one. Now I'm driving on the curb.
Why?
Go.
Green light. Been a green light since these people were walking across the road.
Has it?
Yeah.
Oh.
So much for paying attention.
I know. You're welcome as well, you rude little fuck. You absolute rude little c***. Thank you very much. Oh, what a prick.